Hermes V0.20 just got scary powerful. Hermes just did something no AI agent has done before. It can talk back to you mid-sentence like a real phone call, and it's running straight inside your agent OS. This isn't a small patch. This is the biggest release Hermes has ever shipped. Over 650 contributors built this thing in one update cycle. Stick with me, because by the end you'll know exactly what changed and why it matters. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I help people learn and actually use AI tools in their work. Today, I'm breaking down the Hermes V0.20 Herald release, the update that just turned Hermes from a text tool into something that talks, listens, and works with other agents. Let's get into it. I already put this to work. I run Hermes inside my agent OS, and it's the backbone of how I build content and manage workflows for the AI Profit Boardroom. The moment the Herald release dropped, I used the new voice update to get a live status check while I was setting up a new content run for the AI Profit Boardroom. I just said the wake word, asked my question, and kept working with my hands free. That's the exact kind of shift I want running inside the AI Profit Boardroom. So let's talk about what's actually in this release. First, updating is simple. You open your agent OS, go to manage, click update, and you're on the latest version. No terminal commands, no reinstalling anything. Now the headline feature, it's called Talk to Hermes. Hermes now speaks while it's still generating the response instead of making you wait for the full answer first. And you can cut it off mid-sentence just by talking, the same way you'd interrupt a person on a phone call. It stops, listens to what you just said, and adjusts. That's a completely different way of working with an agent. You're not typing a prompt and waiting anymore. You're having a conversation. On top of that, you get a wake word. You can say it from across the room, and Hermes inside your agent OS starts listening. I tested this myself, said the wake word, asked what time it was, and it picked it up instantly and responded inside the chat. No clicking into a window first. It's just sitting there ready. Voice isn't locked to one place either. You can send a voice note to Hermes on WhatsApp, on DingTalk, online, or on QQ, and it replies back with generated speech automatically. It's aware of whatever platform you're messaging it on, so the reply fits the app you're actually using. That's a real shift because it means Hermes isn't tied to one chat window anymore. It's wherever you already are, ready to respond the second you send something. Then there's the grounded citation skill. This is a research upgrade. When Hermes pulls information together for you now, it attaches sources to what it's telling you. That matters because it cuts down on made-up answers. You're not just getting a confident-sounding response, you're getting one you can actually check. Now, here's something worth mentioning while we're on this. Inside the iProfit Boardroom, we've already built the walkthroughs for this exact release, the Herald voice setup, the wake word configuration, and how to wire the citation skill into your research workflow. The full Agent OS zip file is in there too, ready to install, along with a 30-day roadmap built specifically around running Hermes inside your agent OS. We also run live coaching calls every week where members bring their setup and get it fixed live on the spot. If you're trying to get Hermes talking, listening, and working across your systems, that's exactly what the AI Profit Boardroom was built to help with. Let's keep going because there's a lot more packed into this release. On the desktop side, Hermes now has an artifacts feature. Anything you've built or generated across your platforms shows up in one place and it's sandboxed. So if you're running something like an HTML app you just had Hermes build, you can preview it safely inside that sandbox before you trust it anywhere else. That matters more as these agents get more capable because you want a safe space to check the output first. The desktop app itself keeps getting better too. It didn't look like much the first time I opened it, but this release makes it noticeably faster, and the interface is a lot cleaner to actually work in day to day. If you're spending hours a week inside an agent, that kind of polish adds up. Small things like faster load times and a cleaner layout don't sound exciting on paper, but they're the difference between an agent you actually want to keep open all day and one you avoid touching until you have to. The part I think matters most long-term is the agent-to-agent protocol, or A2A. This is a plugin that lets Hermes discover other compatible agents, talk to them, and even get directed by them. This is what I did with it. I connected Hermes to the other agents I run for the AI Profit Boardroom, and now they bounce ideas off each other and drop the useful ones straight into our idea pipeline for the AI Profit Boardroom. Content ideas, outreach angles, workflow fixes, all of it gets captured automatically instead of me having to chase it down across 5 different tabs. If this protocol keeps maturing, it becomes a lot easier to run a whole fleet of agents instead of babysitting each one individually. Right now, most people are still running one agent at a time for one task at a time. A 2A points toward a different setup entirely, where the agents coordinate with each other and you're mostly just reviewing what they've already worked out together. There are also some smaller updates that make a real difference day to day. You can now correct Hermes mid-turn. If it starts heading in the wrong direction, you don't have to stop it and re-explain the whole task from scratch. You just type the correction while it's working, and the active turn redirects on the spot. That alone saves a lot of back and forth. No forced stop, no re-explaining the task from the top. You just steer it the same way you'd redirect someone mid-conversation. Compression got smarter too. Long conversations used to lose context as they got summarized down. Now, the recent parts of a conversation always survive that process, and it's progress aware, so when it does compress older parts of a session, more of that context still shows up in a usable way. You're not losing the thread halfway through a long session anymore. There's also a new smart approval system. If Hermes is about to do something it's not fully sure about, like deleting a file, it checks with you first instead of just running with it. That's a good balance between letting it move fast on the stuff that's safe and keeping you in control of anything risky. The more autonomy you hand an agent, the more that kind of checkpoint actually matters. It's the difference between an agent that just executes and one that knows when to pause and ask, which is exactly what you want once it's handling real files and real tasks on your behalf. And speed is a big story on its own. First token now comes back in about 0.9 seconds, down from 4.3 seconds before. The telemetry gate is roughly 54 times faster. Combine that with newer, faster models plugged into the same system, and tasks that used to take a few minutes are now done in seconds. That speed shows up everywhere Hermes touches, from a quick chat reply to a longer task you hand off and walk away from. All of this shipped with over 650 contributors working on it, plus a batch of security updates and bug fixes layered in, which matters more the more capable these agents get. When an agent can talk, listen, take actions on your files, and coordinate with other agents, the security work behind the scenes isn't optional. It's what makes trusting it with more responsibility possible in the first place. It's easy to skip past that part of a release because it's not flashy, but it's usually the part that determines whether you can actually rely on the flashy features long term. This is what I've been running through my Agent OS setup for the AI Profit Boardroom since it dropped, and it's already changing how I check in on tasks throughout the day. Instead of opening a dashboard and reading through updates, I ask out loud and get an answer back while I keep working on something else. That's a small change on paper, but it adds up over a full day of running things for the AI Profit Boardroom. So what actually matters out of all of this? I'd say it's the combination. Voice makes Hermes feel less like a tool and more like something you talk to. The wake word and cross-platform voice make it usable, hands-free, wherever you already are. The citation skill makes research trustworthy instead of just fast. And the A2A protocol is the piece that could change how all of it connects together going forward. On their own, each update is useful. Stacked together in one release, it's a genuinely different way of working with Hermes than you had a month ago. This is also a fast-moving project, so if you're setting any of this up, expect the next release to build on it again soon, rather than sitting still. That's honestly the pattern with Hermes lately. A major theme every few weeks, each one pushing a different part of the system forward instead of just polishing what's already there. If you want the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 85,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If you're going to try setting Hermes up like this yourself, you're going to hit a few walls, getting the wake word tuned right, wiring the voice replies into the platforms you actually use, and getting the A2A protocol talking to your other agents cleanly. That's exactly where the AI Profit Boardroom helps you move faster. Inside, you get the Hermes and Agent OS walkthroughs built around this release, weekly coaching calls where you can bring your setup and get it fixed live, the 30-day roadmap, and the prompt packs to go with it. We're already over 3,600 members strong, all building with the same tools you just watched me use. Go check it out at aiprofitboardroom.com.